Hello everyone, I'm Todd from toddszen.com, and if you go to toddszen.com, you're going to get lots of free content, lots of Qigong and Tai Chi and Judo and a lot of Daoism and Zen philosophy and meditation, a lot of different things. It's free content that's there for everybody. I teach the fundamentals to everyday people like you and me and your cousins and uncles and grandpas and grandmas and everybody that can use this in a practical manner. And today I want to talk about Daoyin practice. Daoyin practice is one of the many ancient Chinese practices that combines gentle movements and breathing together for health and vitality. And one of the most fundamental movements is actually when you start out like this here. And all you're doing is coordinating, shifting with your arm movement and breathing. But what I want to talk to you about today is doing it in a nice, beautiful, relaxed manner so that they really do work together. Now, what the heck does that mean? What that means is that when you're going to step out, so let's practice this together for a second, okay? Let's step out with our arms opening, coming forward and dropping. Let's just go back and forth a little bit on this. We're going to go up, step in and down. Now let's go the other direction. Let's go this way. Open our wings, come around and down. Let's go the other direction. Open our wings, step in, forward and down. Let's continue going in that direction. We're going to open our wings, step out, come forward and come down. I just want to have you focus today on this exact piece of the first exercise, okay? And that's coordinating your movements. So when we step, we're also raising our arms like this. Step and down. Step and back. See? Step and back. But do it loosely and relaxed. So we're going to step, breathing in, forward and down. What I don't want you to do is just raise your arms and shuffle forward and go down. I want you to raise your wings or your arms. In fact, practice that a little bit. Raise your arms up and put your arms down. Arms up, arms down. And even this movement here is profound because what I'm doing is I'm raising my energy up, breathing in, and then I'm sinking my energy down. That's the whole idea with the health aspects to this Daoyin practice, or Qigong practice, or Tai Chi practice, is we're relaxing our body. So I'm literally feeling the relaxation in my shoulder, my elbow, my wrist, and all of my knuckle joints. I'm feeling it in my hips, my knees, my feet. I'm breathing relaxed, so I'm breathing. So when you want to practice this, just practice stepping out and flowing. And then come forward, bring your foot in. Be creative with this. I'll show you the actual forms later, but I want you to just practice moving and relaxing as you're moving. And it's okay to be incorrect here, because I just want to get you used to moving and coordinating your movement with breathing. It's very fundamental, but very, very important. And it's very healthy too. Coordinating breathing with moving is just a beautiful practice all by itself. As a matter of fact, rising and falling is like one of the most simple practices in Tai Chi and Qigong practice, where we're rising and falling. We're rising and falling. And even that is very, very coordinated and very simple, because we're breathing in and raising our energy up, and breathing out and sinking our energy down. We're putting our energy down into the earth. So it's very similar to Daoyin practice, but instead we're going to raise up and step out, arms forward and down. And then go the other direction. And often what you can do is turn your head in the direction you're going to be going. Arms forward and down. Look to the direction you want to move, step out, arms up, arms forward and down. So just give this some practice. Simple, very basic movement for Daoyin practice. Just practice moving your arms, your legs, and coordinating your breathing. And let me know how it feels in the comments. My name is Todd at Todd Zen.